We are learning about speech writing process. So far, we have learned about the first step of speech writing process, that is understanding the purpose of speech writing. Now, the second step in speech writing process is knowing your audience. Knowing your audience is an important step in speech writing process. When you understand your audience, you can create a speech according to the needs and interests of the audience. So in this way, you can make the speech more relevant, engaging and effective. We may have different type of people to address in different situations. That situations may be that the audience may be made up of peers and senior management. It is also possible that our audience is media. It is also possible that our audience is disgruntled clients. We must be in a position to handle each audience differently and in an effective manner. Now, how can you know your audience better? There are some points. First is gather information about your audience. Before you start writing your speech, you should gather information about your audience. What type of information? You should gather information about the demographics of the audience. That is the information related to their age, gender, educational level, occupation, income, cultural background, their interests, needs, and their concerns. This type of information about your audience will help you that you tailor your message according to the requirement of the audience. Second point to know your audience better is consider the occasion. That is, we must keep in mind that what will be the occasion on which this speech will be given. This type of consideration will help you to determine what kind of speech is appropriate for the occasion. For example, if you are to give speech on wedding, the speech will be different. If you are to give speech on a retirement party, the tone and language of the speech as well as the contents will be different. Now the third point is consider the expectations of your audience. Try to put yourself in your audience shoes and think about what your audience is likely to expect from your speech. If you put yourself into the shoes of your audience, you will understand what they want, and then you can design your speech according to that. By using the above information and with the use of examples, stories, images and jokes, you can create a speech that is relevant, engaging and more memorable. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.